Hello guys, pakita ko yung ating, tingnan nyo, 5 kilo na lechon belly para bukas guys. Sa paaralan ni Joanna, merong gathering bukas, celebration daw para sa Halloween. So yan yung dadalhin namin dahil padalhin kami ng cultural food daw. Pero ito lang dinala ko. Maglumpia pa sana ako kaso ayaw na ng pinanser. So, ayan lang. It's done. Look how crunchy it is. You gonna take this first?
Huh? Do I need to take a table or what, do you think?
Oh my gosh, even is slicing. Ethan. You cold, B? Are you cold? Outside. Hey, it's okay. Around Ethan. We're going out. We're going out. Sorry. Going out here. Nangurat na mong pan, guys. Roasted belly. Outside, it's kind of dancing outside.
They would eat it. Believe me.
Huh?
Old roasted pig, they would eat it up here. Those big people.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you gonna just get up there early, I have no idea. Don't know. Pork belly go better.
Yeah, pork belly. You can dip it on the sauce. Soy sauce.
There's a little spoon over there. Tastes a lot better.
We're leaving na guys. Ayan yung Ayan, so we're leaving na. So nagbilin ra si Mr. Ogkoan. Just a little bit, konti na lechon belly para sa amin. So yeah. Ayan doon. So, meron pa nagsayaw-sayaw. So hanggang 6 lang. Tapos anong oras na ngayon? Mga almost 6 na. So hintayin na lang namin si Joanna para uwi na kami. So ayun lang guys yung family gathering. So maghintay kami Joanna dahil nasa practice pa. Hello guys. So gabi na ano na dito guys, 2 AM si Ethan hindi pa tulog. So kanina nga pala guys is my gathering sa school ni Joanna. So parang cultural, kailangan kami magdala ng cultural food. So paulit-ulit lang ako. Paulit-ulit kung sinasabi, no. So yung dinala namin is yun nga, yung lechon belly. And then ano lang pala siya guys. Kami lang yung Mexican din. Kami lang yung Pilipino nandoon. And then akala ko lahat, siguro kung lahat ang dami. So kami lang mga Mexican andun. And then yeah. So yeah, pero hindi ko natikman yung kanilang pagkain dahil busy ako kay Ethan, and then si Mr. na yung nag-serve sa sa lechon belly. So sabi ni Mr. next time mag na daw siya ng is buong baboy. So buong baboy na daw, guys. So buong baboy na daw yung dadalhin niya sa susunod. Dahil ang bilis lang naubos ng aming lechon belly. So, yeah. So, siguro nagustuhan nila or ang dami lang try dahil marami ding nandun. So, ayun. And then, nag-dance-dance lang sila doon. Ayun lang, guys. So, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.